Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute summer top combo on Dress to Impress, and the best part is you don't even need VIP for this, and you'll only need 3 items. So let's get started with the video. For the top, we're just going to go into the dressing rooms and we're going to go to the currency item. Get this strawberry dress in top only and no sleeves. Use a pattern or any color that you'd like and mix it with another color. I just chose this pattern with yellow. Then for the sleeves, we're going to get these long sleeves in the short sleeves toggle in that same pattern. Lastly, we're going to go to this section and we're going to grab this top. Select the layer only, and I just used the matte material, but you can use glitter if you'd like to, but I'll just do the matte one for this. And then for this one, I also use this pattern in matte. And that is it. Super simple, super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.